I think many problems which we are facing is actually we emphasize secondary level of differences, different religious faith, different nationality, different color, within same religious believer and same color, rich and poor, like that. So, since a lot of man-made problem due to too much emphasis on the secondary level of differences, now we must go to basic level, oneness of humanity. That I think very important. When I give you talk, when I meet you, if I feel, I sort of keep some kind of feeling, I am Tibetan, I am Buddhist, then that mental state itself, distance from you. Forget that, I am just one human being. The way my birth, right? The way your birth, same. The way, finally, death will be same. Sometimes I jokingly how sort of serious when we passing through a cemetery, right? Cemeteries, there are a lot of sort of cemeteries. That's our final destination. We have to go there. Rich or poor, powerful or also the poor, everybody, young. So eventually you also have to go there. So nobody can escape, right? Escape. Even Buddha, from Buddhist viewpoint, Buddha also, you see, went that way. Jesus Christ also went that way. Muhammad also, you see, has gone that way. So therefore, it is our, whether we like it or not, it is our final destination. So when that destination is reached there, money, no use. Fame, no use. Power, no use. Weapon, no use. What thing bring us tranquility at that moment? Our life spent, meaningful life, serving, helping other, not harming other. Then, at that moment, feel very happy. That's very important.